off the map into the wild where GPS cries and Bigfoot thrives. Look at that. Adventure face locked in. Backpack, she's coming too.
Leather strap's still strong. Sleeping mat still squishy. This bag, legend status.
Backpack saved my spine. Ugh. And my dignity, barely. That's what I'm talking about. Backpack approved location.
Built-in wood carry mode. Backpack's not just pretty, it's functional forest fashion. Gotta earn your heat. Backpack stays on, she's part of the crew. Is it rabbit? Is it squirrel? Let's call it forest hot dog.
Science says medium rare. Bigfoot says crispy fear.
This one's got that real caveman texture. Fire flavor, max. Oh, found this little guy. Backpack says no. I say, maybe?
Burnt again? Amateur. Squirrel's judging me hard.
Golden wins taste. Burnt wins attitude. Both win calories.
Burning meat and grooving a feet. Cooking heat in the forest beat.
Best pillow I've ever carried for 6 miles straight.
Is that a treehouse cafe? Backpack, you were right. This trail was special.
Backpack held it down. Campfire popped. Burnt meat, certified forest snack. Today's spice? Pine needles. Accidental? Maybe. Delicious? Surprisingly.
Got a suit beard going now. Adds flavor and wilderness street cred.
Is it ruined or reborn?
She's gone full supernova. Pro tip, don't ash wipe your backpack. Now I smell like a burnt brisket.
Woke up to a scream bird. Nature's alarm clock, no snooze button.
Lost my spoon. Going a full savage, hello stick fork. Fire's not gone, it's just taking a nap. Watch this.
Yeah. Rock exploded. That's a new recipe step.
Smile like a campfire. Kissable? Debatable.
Forest cologne, 1 part ash, 1 part adventure.
Woo! That's glacier grade rinse cycle. Multi-use gear. Now it's a towel and my life partner. Collecting burnt legends. Each stickle's got a story.
Woo! Wild onion. If this doesn't taste good, it's bath time again. Today we fancy burnt brunch, Bigfoot style.
Turns out bark is
Still flammable.
still flammable.
Fire safety is important. Don't burn down your forest kitchen. Through mud, flames, river dunkins,
This pack's always got my back.
Today, burnt breakfast. Fire roasted eggs, twigs optional. Woo. Yeah, should have used bark or a rock. Anything but a leaf.
Campfire oats with ash drizzle. Michelin -2 stars.
Introducing the rock toaster. No buttons, no mercy.
Backpack caught me. Soft landing. Tree root's still a jerk.
Camp coffee?
Man, tastes like survival and charcoal.
Forest syrup or mouth glue? Let's find out.
Duct tape. Duct tape. Nah.
Nature tape.
Holds for like an hour.
Organic. Crunchy. Maybe poisonous? Winds under out!
Snack stash. This backpack's got more pockets than a kangaroo biker. Burnt on the outside, mystery on the inside. Let's roll.